I'm here today because I would like people to know what I've been through with CarShield. Everything's smooth. Everything goes by the plan. I love it. I don't know what I would be without it.
CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company. With a plan through CarShield, you're good to go.
I've been a CarShield customer for over 8 years, and I saved over $13,000. Saving that kind of money with CarShield means a lot because my daughter starts college next week, and that money, I'm using it on her college. It gives me security, safety, that if one of my trucks goes down, CarShield will take care of it. They'll give me a rental that's included in my package.
Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a mechanic near you.
Taking my vehicle to a shop has been very hassle-free with CarShield. Once I mentioned I got CarShield, they make me a priority. I call them. I said my truck's having these problems, and they told me, oh, we're like 2 weeks behind. I took it in. They saw that I had CarShield. They told me we're going to start working on it right away. I recommend CarShield because of what it's done for me. They put my life at ease, especially when my son's starting to drive now, and if something happens, CarShield will be there.
Plans through CarShield also include many extra benefits like 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, flat or damaged tires, lockouts, and rental car options.
I recommend CarShield to my friends and family because it protects me, my family, my business, and my wallet. We're a CarShield family. I'm at peace knowing that CarShield is protecting them. As a family, we love taking road trips. With CarShield being nationwide, we have no worries. I had my motor replaced, transmission replaced, and many other things that CarShield has just done it. I file a lot of claims with CarShield, and my price has never gone up. CarShield has helped me more than just car repairs. He also helped me with towing and car rental. Car repairs are very expensive, but with CarShield, that's something I have to worry about. If you're driving a car out of warranty, you need to go CarShield right now. CarShield es el paquete completo para tu carro.
CarShield's rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau and named America's most trusted auto protection company. It's time to call CarShield now. Call 800-579-6554, 800-579-6554, 800-579-6554.